Watery eyes, sneezing, feeling lethargic, all clues that your child is not feeling well. But when is it serious enough to take them to the doctor? Dr. Brian Burke explains.
Anaya Butler, Dorsey.
When your child is sick, you can feel so helpless. Wanting to do whatever is going to make them feel better, you ask yourself, should I take them to the doctor? Dr. Carrie Brown, a pediatrician at Arkansas Children's Hospital, says a high fever that won't come down would be one reason to consult a physician.
If your child's under 3 months, any temperature, and we'd like those to be taken rectally, put a little Vaseline on the end of the thermometer, stick just the metal part into the rectal area. If it's over 100.4, we'd like to see that child. We really need to see that child. If they're over 3 months, we'll tolerate a little bit higher of a fever. Again, probably 3 to 6 months. If it's somewhere over 101, you should call your doctor's office and see what kind of advice they have for you.
If the child is school age and the fever persists for 2 to 3 days, it's time to at least call the doctor and perhaps go see them too. When it comes to other health issues, a lot depends on their age.
So if there's anything going on with that newborn, that 2-month-old, you need to let your doctor know so that they can help you figure out whether or not it's the right time. Those decisions you shouldn't be making on your own at home.
No matter how old your child is, if they are struggling to breathe or if their color is bluish, Dr. Brown says you shouldn't hesitate to make that call. In the age of the internet, many parents may try to get medical help from their computer instead of a doctor. Unfortunately, there's a lot of potentially harmful information on the internet, so you need to be careful. You may want to check out Arkansas Children's Hospital's website, archildrens.org. It has a symptom checker that helps you figure out if you need to be worried. For today's THV, I'm Dr. Brian Burke with Arkansas Children's Hospital.